Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to cancel Costco Visa Card. So if you want to cancel your Costco Visa Card, you'll have to contact the city, the card issuer, not the Costco. But before cancelling, ensure your card has a zero balance or pay off any remaining amount. Also check your rewards balance and redeem any points or cash back as they can be lost upon cancellation. After you've done that, you can proceed to cancel your Visa Card. You can do it via the city's website or mobile app, or you can also do it by simply contacting the city. So first of all, what you have to do is simply call the city's customer service number. The service number will be found on the back of your card. After you call the city's number, you have to tell them that you want to cancel your Visa Card. Once you contact Citi, follow their instructions to cancel the card. You may need to provide your account information and reason for cancellation. After that, Citi will cancel the card for you. After cancelling, cut or persuade the physical card to prevent the unauthorized use. Cancelling your Costco Visa Card does not cancel your Costco membership. To cancel your Costco membership, you'll need to contact Costco directly, either online or by visiting a warehouse. After following these steps, your Costco Visa Card will be cancelled. So that is how you cancel Costco Visa Card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.